Good morning everyone and welcome back again dito sa aking YouTube channel. This is beam, may mga poste and traditional siyang ginagawa. So anyway, alright again, so dito tayo sa may Sophia Model House, which is, this is very nice house. And actually guys, bigyan tayo ng chance nito, sana ma-open natin po ito. In my next video, papakita ko naman yung loob nitong Sophia, which is now for sale. And then look at the facade. So ang total contract price niyan, including all the furnitures, including all the landscape and miscellaneous fees, with a selling price of 10,400,000 this house. Wow, look at this. Ayan, okay. So para doon sa hindi familiar dito sa area na to, we are located in Barangay Bacau 2, General Trias, Cavite. Kung galing kayo na Maynila, so it's just 25 minutes driving away to 20 minutes driving away via Cavitex. Alright, and this is the actual village. Yan, okay. Operations Division Manager dito po sa Antel Grand Village in Anyana. And please don't forget to hit like and subscribe in my YouTube channel para updated kayo sa ating mga latest upload. Thank you so much and God bless us all.